Hello everyone. Today we are starting Java, and you know what is Java? Java is an object-oriented programming language developed by Oracle in the 1990s by James Gosling. Now, why should we use Java today? Because people say that it's extinct or it's going bad. No. Java is very necessary today also in web applications as well as in Android. Java is very useful. Java is easy to learn in C++, and if you're going into development or into any other field which is not related with core hardware, then Java is the way to go. C++ is a good language, but if you are not going, do not want to go into core hardware, I prefer Java. So what are we doing here? It is very easy to install Java on a system. Just you need to have a system which has at least 4 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of I'm sorry 256 gigs of storage. Yeah, it will easily install. And how do we do it? Let's find out. So just open your browser and uh, type that go to JetBrains, this IDE JetBrains, or just simply go to Google and just type here IntelliJ IDE, and yes, here you have that IntelliJ software. Just go to open any one of the links. I'll just click the top one, and yeah, here is the IntelliJ. You can see it is an IDE, and it is very powerful. It is free. There is a paid version, of course, but it is not useful for us beginners. Or of us beginners. It is very, and yes, it has Spring Boot and all that we'll discuss later what it does and how it does it. So this is the ultimate edition. If you want, you can buy it if you're going someone who's going on very advanced level. But the beginning community edition will do all of the tasks that we want to perform. So just go on to downloads and your download will start. I have already downloaded it, so I will not download it. I'll just tell you how it will install. So just minimize it. I'll go to my downloads, and here it is my IntelliJ. I'll just open it up. It's verifying. Yours will be downloaded in the download folder as well. So just click it and it will say yes, just allow it. Click next. Choose the path wherever you want. Click next. Click next. Now here just add the path, this admin folder to the path, and then the IntelliJ Community Edition creates the desktop shortcut as well, and then add the folder as project and .java extensions. Use .java extensions or leave it, don't copy it. And just whenever you click next, the installation will begin, and you will be installed, and you will the IntelliJ IDE will be installed on your system. Now for someone, I'll cancel it. Now for someone who doesn't have enough memory, or the IntelliJ IDE has one problem that it works pretty slow. So if you're someone who's not having a good hardware or a basic hardware or an old generation hardware, then I would recommend that you try this IDE, that is Visual Studio Code. I'll just open it on the web. Yes, the Visual Studio Code, just go to download. It is a very good idea by Microsoft himself, Microsoft itself, and it performs all your basic coding like C++. If you're in Windows, I'm on Windows, so I'll be doing Windows only. I have done Windows, and if you're in Debian or Mac, then you can choose the respective uh, files, respective download options. And so yeah, we have in Windows. Then when you installed it, just open it, and Visual Studio Code will install. Now what to do next? Visual Studio Code manually installing and running Java program is a hefty task. Why? Because you have to paste the path and everything. I'll just show you how it's done. So after installing Visual Studio Code, just go to the web again and type Java SDK, Java Software Development Kit, and this is the website from Oracle. You can just go and download it. So yeah, if you want, you can also try Eclipse IDE. You can watch any tutorial online. It is also very lightweighted, but it is still not as fast as VS Code. I tried it. So yeah, you can pick any the latest package and download it. Now this downloaded package I'll show you. I have downloaded it actually. Wait. And yeah, this is the JDK 17 Java Development Kit. And this is 17th version I downloaded. I'll just open it and show you how it is. Okay, now click yes. Yeah, so when you'll go next, it'll just ask you permissions to download, and you can just click it and it'll right. I'll just remove it manually, no problem. It'll just update my files, it will won't download. So yeah, this is how it is done. Now just installed it JRE as well. JRE is Java Platform Binary Company. JRE will install it and now just go back to your computer, this PC, and just go to the program files. Here there will be a folder named Java. Just go to this. I have installed 2, that's why it's showing 2, JDK 17. Go to any one, use your JDK, whichever version you installed. Just go back, sorry, just click here, click on the bin folder. Now just copy this path, Control C, and now just go to properties. Now just go to properties, and here you have this advanced system settings. Go to the environment variables, and now be very careful over here. Now the user variables are those variables which are limited to one folder only, whereas the system variables are those variables in which if you create any folder within the system anywhere, so all your code for that language will run here. So here I have created user variables also, and I have created system variables also, but I recommend you create system. Why? Because your program could be accessible. You do not have to worry about pasting it again and again the new paths. Once it is pasted, it is available everywhere in the system. So just click on the path, and here you add, just write uh, new path, just paste the code here. That's it. Click on OK, and click on OK, and click on OK. So now your code will be pasted. Now what do you need to do is just write it. Mhm. Just go to this PC and just new folder I'll create. I'll write it Java test, and I'll hold shift right, and I'll open it with code, and now I'll write it Qt1.java. Now I'll write public class Qt1 public static void main. I'll use a shorthand notation. What is all this? I'll explain it to you later. First, let us get this working. I hope it is working on your system as well. If not, you can comment. Hello world. Projects are important to workspace. No, I do not want that right now. See, this all can be avoided if you're having error. Just use IntelliJ IDE, this all will be avoided. If you want, I can create a dedicated video on how to use Visual Studio Code Editor. So as you can see the console, it is written hello world in the terminal. Now it means our language is working fine, everything is okay. So this is all it was for how to record, how to code in Java. This is the first code. Now what is all this? I'll explain to you later. What is public? What is a class? What is stud1? What is public static? What is the system.out.println? For those of you who are familiar with C++, C++, just write it one C out, two less than brackets, and whatever you wanted to print, like say hello world. So why is this so big and all that, and why are we not going towards C++? I'll explain everything. And there is also one thing in which is very easy in you could say pathetic in Java that when you study about the collections, that is for those, this is for those of you who are similar with C++, that whenever you study about collections, there are more collections in C++ than there are actually in Java. But Java has gives us the advantage to actually create those collections and use them with our present collections and make very good programs. Now, what are collections and all? We'll discuss. What is all everything? What is Java? We'll discuss it. So okay, I think that's it for now. If suppose you are not able to get the VS Code working, there are many videos of Java, how to you run VS Code in Java, how to use Java in VS Code. Watch that. If you are not still having any problem, just comment me in the section and comment section, and I'll help you. I'll be happy to help you. And yes, that's it. There is a lot of things in Java we can do. Now that's it. Okay, bye bye.